Oh, hi. Welcome aboard Go Airlines. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Okay. It's a good name though. How old are you? Good age. So we are about to land at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. And before, I would like to give you this present. And I'm sorry that it's missing a lot of pieces. It's okay, you can just make some DIY things at home. And if there's any missing pieces in any seats, please clean them up. If you are mine to ask me, just ring the bell here. And also, if you clean that up, you have no time, you can also ask me to clean up. Okay? The toilets are in the back. So this is the present I'm giving you. Oh, just make it fell down.